In this lesson, you'll learn about using the Family Safety feature as well as backing up and restoring files. You'll look at cloud data storage and compressing files and folders. Finally, you'll learn about setting a system date and time and using System Restore. The Windows 8.1 Family Safety feature enables you to protect your family when they use the Internet. It can monitor your family computer and web activity and restrict what sites the computer can access. Welcome to the second University of Chicago Online Social Media Training Module. The course is divided into 3 modules. Module 1, Business Value and Social Media ROI. Module 2, Developing a Social Media Strategy. Module 3, Summary. Click the Start button to begin. It is important to pick activities that your child enjoys doing, such as playing with sand, Play-Doh, cars, or blocks. Easy board games, which can rely on visuals rather than words, may be fun for some children and can encourage them to communicate with their peer. If you pick activities that your child doesn't like, he or she may lose interest in the activity and ultimately the playdate.